Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Oluwaseyi Alade Art. Let's draw the yoga pose 1. Yoga poses are difficult for many to draw. However, I will simplify it here for you. Anything concerning the human form can be easily drawn when you start with the skeletal line structure. Let me show you how. So here I start with the hip. I start with the right leg, and that is the foot, the right foot. And I go to the outstretched left foot here. And now I'm going to draw the torso of the woman. Next, it will be her right arm, which is outstretched. It's not usually totally stretched out. There's a slight angle to it. And then, of course, her head. I'm going to give her a ponytail later. And the ponytail is going to obey the laws of gravity. That's a second arm. Now I'm going to ink it in. I'll be using a very thick permanent marker to ink it in. The skeletal structure, I drew it with a colored pencil, color brown or umber. Here we go. So that's her foot, then her lower leg, the upper leg. See how it curves, taking the shape of the muscles. And her other buttock, the thigh, and the angle. You see how the shape changes. She's wearing leggings too. Tippy toes. Now for her torso, a little bit of fold in her shirt and her rib cage area. Outline the arm. The thumbs are inner and the baby finger is outer. That's her head. And the second arm. Good. So I'm going to add her ponytail now. Just sweeping downwards. And here. So I'll do some slight shading to her yoga upper bow, and that's all. Get too much of it. Can't go and do it later. I'm gonna give her a brown skin, but she's like me, brown skin girl. Emphasize the folds. I'm still going to shade it in anyway. And give her a zigzag yoga pants. So I'm using permanent marker to show the confidence you can have once you're able to master the skeletal structure for any anatomical drawing. You will not be scared of making mistakes because you've already mastered the most important thing, which is the skeletal structure. and it's a wrap. Yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. I look forward to joining you into another amazing drawing. Bye.